While some kids may get grossed out about the syringes filled with pretend blood, most of them are going to think it is awesome and have a blast squirting the blood into their drinks. Head to the kitchen and put this spooky spin on a childhood classic. You will need the following materials: Sprite, ice, red liquid Kool-Aid, and syringes. Pour Sprite over ice and wait until it stops fizzing. Now add your Kool-Aid filled syringe. Squirt the Kool-Aid in for a fun taste and look. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.